Yo, welcome back to the Build Something TV. Wingnuts, what's going on? What's happening, man? We are doing some investigations on this 4.6 motor here. It's running a little rough. I changed all the plugs on this side because this is kind of the hardest side to do due to the intake and all of that stuff. So what I found out in my travels that this cylinder right here was not firing. So took the plug out, and lo and behold, I found this situation here. This is antifreeze. Now it's antifreeze from the top. You can see there it's corroded, and also you can see the COP in there. That was corroded also. So, and then also on the other one, there was antifreeze on the other one. So we know what this is. It's the intake because it was leaking from the top. So what we're going to do is we're going to check out this product yet again, K-Seal. Now, I know you guys are saying you're going to take out the intake gasket. Yes, I am. I'm going to do it. But I want to see if this would stop an intake gasket leak. Somebody asked me about this one time. They say, hey, yo, can this stop an intake gasket leak? Now, mind you, this is external, not internal. So we're going to check it out. It stops head gaskets. It stops heater cores. It should stop an intake. So we're going to finish this up, tie this back up, and then we're going to pour some K-Seal inside of that reservoir and get it started. But hold on for 1 second. Now this joker right here, he just walked on my property and just started turning on the hose and water without even asking. I had to check him, but then say, yo, go get you some water. Because it is hot out here. It's like 94 degrees. But still, though, you're supposed to ask. You good now?
Thank you, brother.
All right.
Sorry about that, man.
It's all good.
Okay.
4 days later has passed. It was raining out here bad. If you're from New Jersey, you know that rain was crazy. It's like a typhoon. And also too, I was doing the no smoke oil stop leak video also in between doing this. So I let it sit, 4 days now. We're gonna go and we're gonna take out this intake situation here. We're gonna check it out and see what is what on this deal here. And once we see what it is, we'll see if it's still leaking. That's really it. Nope. No leaking at all. Nothing. So this product does work. I mean, that's kind of crazy. You know, there's a lot of pressure going into that intake. If it ain't gonna work, it ain't gonna work. There is no halfway about it, that if it works or not. So we just throw it back on. Mind you, I didn't start the car this morning, so we'll start it up. We'll see if the smoke and all that other stuff is happening with the car, and let's see what's up. Crank this thing up. Yeah, still got to figure out that stuff here. Yeah, see? Still no smoke. You can click the link above and you can check out that video where I did that video. Alright, many of you guys may be looking at me and be like, yo, what are you doing? You putting all those mechanic in the bottle type things inside the engine. Why? Well, the engine has 400K. I explained that in the other video when I put the oil additive in there. And also now we put the antifreeze additive, which is the K-Seal. As you can see, K-Seal had worked on an intake gasket. It's a beautiful thing. Now, I want to see if I can take this car another 100K. If it's possible, that'd be a great thing. Great bragging points for Ford. But I haven't seen a 500K 4.6 ever. This is the first time for me even seeing a 400K, and if the engine doesn't make it, that is fine. I do have a P71 engine that I want to put inside this car anyway. So the P71 4.6 has an oil cooler, and these cars should have been equipped with an oil cooler, trans cooler, and a power steering cooler. So I'm going to add those things in if it doesn't have any of those things. So thank you guys for watching this episode of Build Something TV. Hope you guys were enlightened in some kind of way. You can click the link above here to check out the car in its entirety, and we give you the introduction of the car. So check you guys out on the flip side, man. See you guys.
Drop it.